A is for asparagus. Asparagus.
This is asparagus.
Asparagus. B is for broccoli. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Broccoli.
C is for carrot.
Carrot. This is carrot. Carrot.
D is for drumstick.
Drumstick. This is drumstick. Drumstick.
E is for endive.
Endive.
This is endive.
Endive.
F is for fennel.
Fennel. This is fennel. Fennel.
G is for garlic.
Garlic. This is garlic. Garlic.
H is for horseradish.
Horseradish.
This is horseradish.
Horseradish. I is for iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce. This is iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce.
J is for jicama.
Jicama. This is jicama. Jicama.
K is for kale.
Kale. This is kale. Kale. L is for leek. Leek. This is leek. Leek.
M is for mushroom.
Mushroom. This is mushroom. Mushroom. N is for no-pow. No-pow. This is no-pow. No-pow. O is for okra. Okra. This is okra. Okra.
P is for potato.
Potato. This is potato. Potato.
Q is for quinoa leaves.
Quinoa leaves. These are quinoa leaves. Quinoa leaves.
R is for radish.
Radish. This is radish. Radish.
S is for spinach.
Spinach. This is spinach. Spinach.
T is for turnip.
Turnip. This is turnip. Turnip. U is for uluco. Uluco. This is uluco. Uluco. V is for vegetable marrow. Vegetable marrow. This is vegetable marrow. Vegetable marrow. W is for wasabi. Wasabi. This is wasabi. Wasabi.
X is for salach.
Salach. This is alach. Salach.
Y is for yam.
Yum. This is yam. Yum.
Z is for zucchini.
Zucchini. This is zucchini. Zucchini.
A is for ant, ant. The little ant marches busy and bent. B is for beetle, beetle. The shiny beetle crawls so neat. C is for cricket, cricket. The cricket sings with a chirpy beat. D is for dragonfly, dragonfly. Dragonfly zooms across the sky. E is for earwig, earwig. Earwig wiggles when it walks nearby. F is for firefly, firefly. Firefly glows with a little light. G is for grasshopper, grasshopper. Grasshopper jumps with all its might. H is for honeybee, honeybee. Honeybee buzzes around the tree. I am for inchworm, inchworm. Inchworm creeps so carefully. J is for Junebug, Junebug. Junebug hums when it flies at night. K is for katydid, katydid. Katydid sings in the soft moonlight. L is for ladybug, ladybug. Ladybug spots are black on red. M is for mosquito, wing. Mosquito buzzes around your head. N is for net-winged beetle, net-wing. Net-winged beetle shines so bright. O is for orc spider, orc spider. Orc spider spins its web just right. P is for praying mantis, praying mantis. Praying mantis stands tall and green. Q is for queen bee, queen bee. Queen bee rules the hive like a queen. R is for roach, roach. The roach runs fast across the floor. S is for stick insect. Stick insect. Stick insect hides by looking like a door. T is for termite. Termite. Termites chew on wood all day. U is for underwing moth. Underwing. Underwing moth flaps and flies away. V is for vine weevil. Vine weevil. Vine weevil nibbles on leaves so green. W is for wasp. Wasp. Wasp builds nests that can be seen. X is for Xerces, blue butterfly. X. Xerces blue. Xerces blue is a rare and true butterfly. Y is for yellow jacket. Yellow jacket. Yellow jacket buzzes fast and loud. Z is for zebra butterfly. Zebra butterfly. Zebra butterfly flutters through the crowd.